Oh, what's up mga tropa? Tayo papanoorin nga pala natin ang video ni nga ulit to? Ni Cookie God. Cookie God. So, tara na guys. Tara.
What the? Like, I can't even watch. You think you're good?
Get off the stage! Yeah, I joined in the middle of the circle, which was very embarrassing. But right away, the lifesteal SMP started. Everybody split off running in all directions to speedrun the game. And meanwhile, I was already being bullied by the players. Give me your buddy. Hello. Oh, yes! Thank you, Woogie. Oh, yo! Yo! So after nobody wanted to be friends, I headed out to get some materials because I have nothing compared to everybody else on the server. But later in the video, I want to get my revenge on the people who bullied me. Let's finally craft a furnace and then smelt some food. But while I was out getting materials, somebody else on the server had a similar idea as mine to start a cookie shop.
I will be making a cookie shop. It will take me a bit of time, but I'm gonna work
So
hard
guys,
on it.
Because my
nandito
goal for this video is to build a gigantic cookie shop capable of producing millions and millions of cookies. And on Lifesteal, dying isn't just embarrassing, because when someone kills you, they steal one of your hearts. So if I actually wanted to build a giant cookie shop without getting wiped off the server, I needed teammates I could trust. So with Tubbo having basically the same idea as me to start a cookie shop, it only makes sense for us to team together and create the Cookie Coalition. PvP is now enabled. Oh, GG. This wraps. I'm so dead. Not wanting to pick a fight with anyone just yet, I decided the smartest move was to go mining and get as much loot as possible. Cave! Yes! We go mining. But while I was down there mining, the entire Lifesteal server was already falling into chaos. No! Police! Wait! What happened? Oh, Tubbo was killed by Captain Sparkles. Yo, that's my cookie partner. Pretty quickly, I realized this server was dangerous. Everybody was stacked, everyone wanted kills, and I was just a noob with nothing. If I wanted to survive, I couldn't draw any attention. I had to stay low. We got iron! After getting some materials, it was time to set up base. Yeah, I think this is a good spot right here. Okay, just like inside a cave. No one's gonna go here. Nobody. I'm gonna put it behind this block. My plan for this base was simple. Dig straight down and build a secret entrance so nobody could find me or my base. Because on Lifesteal, if people find your base, it's basically over. Thanks. It's funny that... Oh! Yo, who said never to mine down? The biggest myth ever in Minecraft. You always mine down. That is the golden rule. Is the word spreading that I'm making cookies? Lil K messaged me saying, are you making cookies? And this was bad because the more people hearing about my cookie shop plan, the bigger the target I was putting on my back. Alright, I think this is a big enough box for me. Even though I'm really big, I'm happy with this. Now I just gotta make a floor. They're saying that they're looking for you. What did I do? Are you being for real? Dude, just let me play Minecraft. Just let me build a cookie factory, please. With tensions rising, I knew the Cookie Coalition needed another member. And then I found someone whose name was so perfect, I pretty much had to recruit them. Wait, there's somebody on the server named Cookie Bun Squad. What do I say, chat? I would say, how much do you love cookies on a scale of 1? She said, an 11. I bet I love them more than you. Whoa, whoa, whoa! With that answer, I knew she was perfect for the team. Alright, I think I'm finally done building my base. Oh my! I didn't save my cards! Oh my god! Now I'm gonna be in spawn. Oh, bro! And that was bad because spawn was basically the worst place I could be. The most dangerous part of the... What did bother me was... I'm sorry, Reduce, but this is for Tubbo! Hey! Oh my god. Yo, I wasn't ready. Oh, I'm being comboed right now. Wait. Yeah. First heart, Reduce. Ow. And just when I thought I got my revenge... Oh, he's right there. Wait, I'm sorry.
Did you say L after that? Cookie God?
I didn't mean it. I didn't think you spawned right there.
Yeah, man, say sorry.
So, you can turn the other way now. Yo, please. Reduce, I'll give you my life. Wait, no, I won't give you my life, but
Yeah, you weren't really respecting me earlier, man. You know, at some point you are gonna have to eat that potato.
I don't have food. gifts plus 10% for all users. Low fast.
Wasn't really my place. But while I was roaming around, I realized something. If I wanted to survive players like Radoons, the Cookie Coalition needed to get bigger. So I quickly recruited 3 more members like Forsey, who was building a pathway to his house. Yeah, once I find out, I'll build a cookie factory near spawn. That's my plan.
Yes, I can help if you need. Just let me know.
Oh, then you connect your path to it? I also super flat. Wait.
Welcome to Mog Swamp Super Flat Zone.
That is sick. How did you do that? Now my next goal. Nah, you guys are lying. I swear out. And after traveling for hours and hours and hours. Yo, guys, I'm not seeing land. It's kind of scaring me. Did I get trolled by the chat? Oh. Wait. Oh my god. Crack locating. Crack locating. Wait, I was beside the village. What? Crack located. Oh. We found our base. Where the frick did I build this thing? Oh! It's over here. Yes! Oh my god! We found it! Oh baby, a triple. Oh, respawn point set. Yo, God is real. Oh yes, my 19 logs. Oh, my 3 wonderful spruce doors. Oh, I love my 4 pieces of pork chop that I spent an hour searching for again. That was not worth it at all. Cookie Factory is in progress again. Yes. Oh yeah. After finally finding my base, my next plan was to build a fake outpost near. We're playing survival. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is a reverse kidnapping. I am man napping. Y'all ain't going nowhere. You're mine now. What? Let me steal this baby. Oh my god, the baby's not a baby anymore. Bro's off to college. So now that I finally built the out on a server like Lifesteal, yeah, I'm trying to find a. What's his name? This. Not if I kill it though. Hey. I'll get that 1 heart, please.
Cookie, I'm so sorry.
Be friendly. Come on, I'll give you unlimited cookies.
I've got to do what I got to do, Cookie.
No, please. No.
What I got to do.
Come on. No.
Okay, no, you're right. Okay, I'm sorry about that. That's all. It's on me.
I don't trust you guys. You guys are mean. Is he leaving? Bro, why is everybody so mean? Is he on top of me? Yo, are you still here? Guys, I cannot be friendly in this. Everyone is too mean. I just want to build a cookie factory. I almost died. I was at 1 heart. I really hope he's not up here waiting for me. That'll be so sad. Oh my god. Oh, he is here! Oh my god! I hate this guy. Bro, I knew he was here. I knew he was waiting for me. Oh my god! Please! There's no way he potted up. Yo, please.
Cookie, I'm sorry, bro. I'm hungry.
Yo, come on. I got nothing. You're picking on the homeless.
I gotta do what I gotta do, man.
Yo, you smell so bad.
I don't want to do this.
Then don't do it. Yo! Oh my god. Yo! And just like that, my 4th heart was gone. And while I was busy getting destroyed, my teammate Cookie Buns was having problems of her own.
And then
It was like infused and flow.
Yeah.
Flowers for orange dye and brown. Alright, chat. I'm gonna go to spawn with all of my resources. If I got started, I wanted to ask the most qualified person I knew, my fellow cookie enthusiast, if she wanted to help me build it. But you're down to build this cookie factory with me?
yes.
Oh yeah. Okay, sweet. So I started making my way back to spawn. But then a chat message popped up that immediately caught my attention. Chief said, want to team up, I'm solo. This mattered because Chief was trying to get all the way up to 20 hearts. And if to build a giant cookie factory, alright, it was time to see how one of my. Yeah, man, this is awesome.
9 stacks of dirt.
Nice. Let's start building this. I'm ready.
Me.
I thought everyone would be a lot nicer. What should we call this cookie shop?
Look at the names.
You sticking with a cookie gods cookie shop. Oh yeah, it looks pretty nice. I kinda like this. But by this point, now it's time to finish the rest of the cookie. Yes, Luigi.
It's a cookie. Is this meant to be a cookie?
Hello. Yeah. My timbers. Okay, here we go. Oh, perfect timing. Oh yeah. Let's go. See what it looks like from afar. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's like half a meatball, half a cookie. That's kinda nice. That's exactly what I envisioned. Once it's like, oh!
Hey, Oh my god, you scared me.
Cookie!
What up, man?
I heard you're building a little cookie.
Yeah, I'm trying to finish it out right now. It looks like a meatball.
Yeah, that's terrible, but it's okay. I'll let it slide for now.
And now let's finish the rest of this cookie. Their own webs. Oh yeah, cookie's done.
You know, I don't know if I call it done, but like,
Yo, come on. What do you think? What would you rate it?
if you asked me what that was, it would take me like at least 10 guesses before I got the cookie.
10 guesses?
Well, because cookies aren't spheres.
Wait, why did I not think of that? No, we're good. Once I add the chocolate chips, people are gonna get it. Sweet. Oh, my jungle tree grew.
Yes. Here, wait. I got a bone meal for you.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Oh, it's small too.
Let's go. Word about the cookie shop spread fast, and an old friend decided to stop by. Ramsey! Oh my god, how you doing?
Dude, I'm doing well. Look at you. Look at you got. I was gonna say your pants look great, but I'm not sure those are
Oh,
pants.
thanks. Oh, we got an army of alley. What the?
It's starting. It's the first two
That's
recruits.
awesome. I'm building a cookie shop.
Oh. For partnership, we can give cookies out to people as they fight to the death.
Well, if you want to help with the cookie factory coalition, they're free.
I can help you push.
Sam and Verdun son one of my own teammates. So now. Oh my! No, I lost another heart. I'm almost down to 3 hearts. Hey, I forgot. Yeah, Jeron's on here. Wait, chat. This might be the time when we team up together and build like 100 million. Next Friday, I'll be posting part 2.
So, yun guys, tapos na ang ating pinapanood.